This is our base model. This is our most versatile tool. It's an 11-inch door pusher, so it allows them to get through inward, outward opening breaches, fortified, barricaded as well. This kit is going to give you 10,000 pounds of force. This is the advanced speed if you watch, which is very fast for hydraulics, but this is a nitrogen gas cylinder. So what it is building up the pressure to allow it to retract twice as fast, if you notice there. That way, when guys are, if they're in a school or they're in a hotel and they have 100 doors they have to get through, a lot of hydraulics are big, they're bulky, and they're cumbersome, and they're very, very slow. So after they're using, you have to sit there and wait at the breach for them to reset. Ours is very quick, and it always comes back to flush, so you can hit the next door and the next door. Everybody else's batteries are proprietary. They like to take pride in it. We went the other direction, said, hey, we want to make it easier for you guys. Ours is a standard DeWalt. Does 350 breaches on one battery, and it's 19 pounds is the kit. So it's really light. The flexibility of the kit is it's just a simple hydraulic hose fitting, a quick connect. So every single tool that I'm going through has the same male hose fitting, and then it's a female hose or female hydraulic fitting on the actual hose. So it's just plug and play, and it's that simple. Now HRP4 would be our spreader. This is really good for window grills, trunk lids, sliding glass back doors. This would be what we call HRP2. Now you have the 11-inch door pusher with our 2-in-1 jam spreader bar. So this tool, when it's connected, is going to spread the frame out just enough to get around a deadbolt. Now you add cutters, 2 different options of cutters. Basically big brother, little brother. If you need a little bit more cutting capacity, you get the bigger ones. I'm gonna use our 11-inch door pusher with our Generation 4 hydraulic breaching kit to get through our all-in-one door. It's gonna be an outward opening security door with an inward opening steel breaching door with 4 different locking sets on it. And here we go.